I'm Stuart from Swindon Sports Therapy, and we'd like to offer you some online self-help activation techniques. The third of these techniques that we'll be going through today is for the glutes. This technique primarily helps with hip extension function, and this primary use for this is for stabilizing the hips and also for propelling us forward. So such things as walking, running and jumping, just to name a few, and even climbing the stairs. It can also help alleviate some neck pain and also hip pain. So how we're going to test this is via doing a simple squat. So we're just going to go shoulder width apart. We're going to come down and then back up, and we're going to see how this feels. So onto the technique. The technique itself actually starts around the base of the skull. So we're going to come very much laterally, just underneath the lateral aspect of where the skull base is. So we're going to work our way along this area until we hit the midpoint of where the spine and the skull meets. We're doing scooping actions with small circular motions until we hit the midpoint, to which we will then be doing the other side. The psoas and the glutes, they work in a pairing. So when the psoas contracts, the glutes have to relax, and vice versa. So with the glutes being one of the most powerful muscles in the body, we often see them underutilized, which means that they're switched off, and this is normally a massive disadvantage for any form of exercise. So as we do it on both sides, we're then going to do that twice through. So once that's done twice through, we can then have a little check of our squat again. So we're going to come back down and then back up, and then we're going to see if there's any difference from the first time to the last time.